Service learning is an exciting approach to project-based education. It promotes citizenship, teaches skills and context, and empowers students to take ownership of their own learning. The three major components to service learning are apprentice citizenship, where students learn about civic engagement through partnership with active community members working on local needs. Academic integrity. Each project has clearly defined service learning objectives that relate to state learning standards and local curricula. Student ownership. Students share in the decision-making with adults, and adults share in the learning with students. They act as partners and coaches rather than experts. Service learning follows a multi-step process. The first task is to help students define service learning. A game is used to help them see the difference between community service, community learning, and service learning. Next, the students explore the community and discover problems of need. This year, we're looking at how our town welcomes new residents. Last year, we explored how to keep the town safe through fire hydrant snow removal. The students then investigate the cause and effects of the problem they identify by talking to community members, and they begin to research various solutions to the problem. Each problem and possible solution is presented in class, and the students evaluate the pros and cons of each solution and decide on the action to take. They then create an action plan and timeline to implement the ideas, assigning each student a role in the process. The whole class then implements the plan, and throughout the process they evaluate the results and adjust their project. Critical elements of a service learning project are interjected throughout the process. Collaboration is one of the elements. The teacher encourages groups and partner approaches to task. Celebration. Specific steps in the process are celebrated and promoted to congratulate the effort. Public relations. Students learn how to reach out to the public and press to share their ideas through authentic writing. And assessment. Teachers need to monitor the students and ask for output that shows learning and growth. The teacher's role in a service learning project can be a little tricky. You don't always know where the students are going, and you must act more as a coach rather than a director. The only thing you can know for sure is the topic that the students are going to focus on. Then, as the project develops, you help them understand the role they each play, and you find a way to assess and tie in the curriculum. It is a little tricky, but it's very enlightening, and the students love the whole process. Many students are used to having others do for them, and service learning encourages them to reach out to the public through emails, writing, or phone calls. Having a serious conversation with the town representative can drastically alter a child's perspective of their world and their view of their importance in that world. One of the most enjoyable elements of a service learning project is the celebrating successes along the way. When learning is fun, it is embraced with earnest, and the students become deeply engaged. My exploration into service learning began with going to a Kids Consortium workshop in Boston. There I had training and learned about the elements of service learning. The first project I implemented had to do with fire safety, and my students organized a town-wide meeting to teach students in each of the schools how to mark fire hydrants and recruit volunteers to help remove the snow in the winter. The second project had to do with reaching out to senior citizens. We interviewed residents who had gone to our school 60 years prior and wrote a book and donated those books to the library. The current project we're undertaking is investigating how our district and town welcomes new families. We're specifically looking into cultural and language differences and finding out how available services are and what is available. The students are in the exploration stages right now, and soon we'll discover what problem we want to tackle and how we can go about making a solution. I really enjoy service learning. I've done 3 projects and I plan to do more. It really empowers students and makes them own their town and own their learning. They love going out and making decisions and solving problems that are real world problems. I encourage anyone to try it. It is a lot of fun and the kids love every moment.